What's up, y'all? What up, though? This is Jamil Strickland. This is a YouTube channel that we're gonna go over a lot of stuff: real estate, investing, wholesaling, buying, hold, flip, every single thing. But this video right here is 4 free ways that you'll be able to get leads for free. And I'm not gonna go over this Craigslist BS that you always hear. Call Craigslist, post, go on Craigslist, dial a number. No Craigslist stuff. This is gonna be fresh new material, stuff that you haven't heard yet, that is gonna be applicable to your business and you can do after this video right away and start working on it. So I'm really excited. First, go ahead and throw me the pen or there we go, dope catch. Yes, I did play a little football, a little basketball, but we'll get to me another time. So first thing I wanna go over is number one of the old school ways. Newspaper classified. Newspaper classified. Now, listen. When last time you really opened a newspaper, right? Probably never. Let's be honest. But guess who do? Older people. And guess where a lot of your wholesaling and people that are looking to sell homes, your tired landlords, guess who are they? Probably older people. So, older people, they usually do things like post things in the newspaper classified. So one thing I recommend doing, this is like something I think you should really start doing. Get a newspaper, go on a newspaper classified. You're going to see things like, for instance, for rent, right? You'll get things like that for rent. You'll get, all those different potential sellers when you call them. So what I would do is, and what I have done is, I'll call for rent and I'll say, hey, I'm not looking to rent. I'm actually a buyer, and just kind of calling to see if you ever thought about selling a home or would consider an offer. Now, once again, with it being for rent, they don't have a tenant in there right now, right? Who knows how long has it been since they didn't have a tenant in there? We don't know that. So for rent, sign, all those different things in newspaper classified is like one of the dopest ways to do it, right? Let me give you number 2. This is a good one right here too. You might have heard this one, but expired leads, baby. So these is really, really good. So let me tell you something about expired. I actually done a deal for expired lead, and I'm gonna tell you why. Is because the realtor was so bad that the contract was getting over, so the realtor was done. I think they had like a 3-month. They was gonna list it for 3 months. They can't sell it. It's done. I ended up calling that expired lead, and the first thing the seller said was, "If you're a realtor, I don't want to work with you." That is my favorite thing. Reason being, because they're still looking to sell their home, but since they don't want to go through a realtor, they probably want to try to buy it, right? They probably want to go through an investor. So what I did was say, no, I'm not licensed. I'm not licensed. I'm an investor, so I don't need to be necessarily licensed. But what I was able to do was tell her, hey, listen, as a buyer, we're going to pay cash for your home. We close when you want to close. We close where you want to close. And more importantly, we get this off your hand in under 30 days. You don't have to worry about nothing. You ain't got to clean up anything. She was like, oh, okay, well, come on over there. The whole mood changed. So expired leads are really dope because most of the time it was something wrong with the property, right? Meaning it needed some kind of work. It needed some kind of, some kind of improvements. The realtor was absolutely terrible and just could not get anything done. Actually, she told me that he was unresponsive, that he never checked in, just small things. So between all those things, they kind of get a bad taste in their mouth for realtors, so investors can come in and potentially close on that a lot better, build a better rapport with her because they have a negative thought on realtors, which maybe shouldn't be done, but that's what that realtor gave her. So now an investor comes in, and now we're able to pick that one up. So that's a really, really good one. Now this next one right here, this is online. I like this one a lot. It's not used a lot at all. I don't know why. So the third thing, number 3, online, Facebook. Now, if y'all looking at my handwriting and be like, "This I can't read nothing," then come on, like, you know what I'm saying? I'm an investor. I don't have the greatest penmanship. Online Facebook is the buy, sell, trade. Oh yeah, this is money right here. This is a money one. So I'm gonna tell you, these are 4 like money ones. Money. So online Facebook. So let's say you live in a big city, right? So we'll just pick Vegas, for instance, right? You go on Facebook, you go into the group section, or you go into, I think it's a group section. You type in buy, sell, trade, and then your city name or prior. Vegas, buy, sell, trade, anything. Make sure it says anything too. What you see people with vacuum cleaners, old cameras, selling books, toys, people just selling anything, right? But also there's people, you can also put wants in there too. So what I would do is I will go in there, buy, sell, trade on a Facebook group, and I'll put, hi, I'm looking to buy some houses. I don't care what the condition are. I make it very personal too. I don't try to be the standard, we buy houses, call me at, don't do that. That's dumb. That's bad marketing, right? You want to be smart. You're an investor. You got to be a little bit more creative in your approaches. So I will be very personal. Hey, I'm a local investor out of the area. I'm looking to buy houses. So if anybody thinking about selling a house or got a buddy or a friend that's looking to sell, shoot me a DM or give me a call, whatever makes it easier for you. And I'll say that just like that with bad punctuation and everything, because I purposely do that because I don't want to come off as like what you see on other, marketing channels, where it's these perfectly, we buy houses, No. Hey, I'm looking to buy some houses. Anybody looking to sell, that'd be awesome. I'll buy anything. We're handy. We know how to do all the construction ourselves. We don't even care what it looks like. So just hit me up whenever you get a chance. Shoot me a DM, whatever works for you. And I'll literally say that verbatim, but in typing, obviously, right? You want to be personable. So this is a money one, because you'll get people that'll say, hey, yeah, I got a house in so-and-so that I'm looking to get rid of. It might not even be that city, right? But they seen it, and now they feel that you're kind of more personable. You're not one of these big companies trying to just pounce on them or call them or send them mail. Very dope one. By the way, if you didn't know about this, hold on, let me say this. If you haven't heard of this one at least, right? I'm a salesman, so I got to ask. If you haven't heard number 3, hit the like button right now. Just out of love. If you haven't heard of this strategy yet, if you have, don't hit it. I'm not even going to hold you to it. I won't say nothing. If you don't, I'm not even mad. But hit the like button if you have not done this yet, or if you haven't heard of it yet. So I think that's going to be a really good one. So my last one, like I said, very cheap, free 4 ways, is actually, and I got to squat down. I got a bad back. I did legs and squats today. All right, here we go. Professional relationships. I'm going to explain it though. Professional relationships. Beautiful. That handwriting is gorgeous, by the way. So, what this is, I'm going to give you guys a story. I was talking to a guy, he's a firefighter, and I have a buyer, an investor, because I'm wholesaling more so right now, that will buy burned homes. He doesn't care. He'll buy anything. I mean, it can literally be a half of a house. Just imagine the house just cut in half, and that half is just taken away, and you got this half standing. He would probably buy that. So this guy will buy anything, and I love it, right? He's a great buyer. He closes quick. I got to negotiate with him, but he closes quick. But anyways, so I was talking to a firefighter, me and him talking. I forgot how we got in contact. I think he was trying to rent a house from I don't know. We got talking a little bit. He asked me what I do, and I told him what I did. That's step number 1. You have to tell people what you do. You got to let people know, hey, I will buy houses. Hey, I'm always looking to buy houses. Hey, and if I don't buy it, I can sell it for you. Whatever. Be creative. You got to make sure you tell people what you do. So I told him. He was like, hey, man, Me being a firefighter, I'm seeing all these, bad situations happen. People's houses are getting lost or burned up or they're hard to repair. And, I could probably send you your number, and I was like, that would be awesome. You know what I'm saying? Think about that, though. That's free marketing through word of mouth. I got an accountant that I do that with. We're accounting those people. The accountants know a lot. I know a banker that does that people come in and, they want to cash your check stubs or talk to a banker about loans, trying to get different loan options. Nurses. I know so many different professions. We're all in real estate, whether we like it or not. Let me make sure I say this. We're all in real estate, whether we like it or not. And that's the beautiful thing about real estate, right? That even if you're not directly into real estate like myself, you're indirectly into real estate. So therefore, things like professional relationships go a long way. You have people like, mailmen, right? You have garbage men. I feel like they have a new name now. I shouldn't say that, right? It's like waste management service or something. So if you're a garbage man and you got offended, I apologize. I do not need you disliking my video because I said it wrong. Actually, if you're a garbage man, hit like 2. Boom. If you're waste management services, hit like. Not to be disrespectful. You got, like I said, firemen, policemen, right? Police officers. Y'all can't even see down there probably thinking about this. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. So police officers, right? So what I'm saying is talk to these people. Your mailman comes, you know what I'm saying? Hey, how you doing? Oh, I'm all right. Cool. Hey, I know this is random, but if you see a house that looks like it's boarded up or you don't think the person lives there anymore, if you write down a number or if you write down an address and I get in contact and I buy their house, I'll send you $500. I know it sounds crazy, but I'm looking to buy houses. I'm in flipping. I'm in wholesaling, and so whenever you get a contact, the first time they'll forget about it. Next time you see them, hey, you see any houses? Oh, I forgot. Yeah, you do that house stuff. Yeah, I do flipping and wholesaling, and I buy as well for myself. So next time you see some houses, you see them again, they'll probably forget. Hey, man, don't forget this time. I'm looking to buy a house. Hey, listen, I get $5 referrals. You build that up. You build that relationship. Next time, hey, how you doing? Right? You build that relationship. You build that relationship. You build that relationship. But that starts by letting people know what you do. So this is what I'm going to say to wrap this up is we got 4 really, really good, cheap, free, inexpensive ways to find leads, potentially, if you put a little elbow, if you really get in there, right? What I tell you guys to do right now, comment below on the one you think is probably the best. Or take that back, comment below which one you say, you know what, tomorrow, Jamil, I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to try this one out. Tomorrow, I'm going to go on Facebook on buy, sell, trade, Florida or Miami or whatever, right? And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put, hey, I'm looking to buy homes. I'm gonna buy a newspaper for cheap, or find one online or something like that, and go to the for rent sign. Here go a free one. I'm gonna try to squeeze this one in right here. Go section8.com, right? Same thing. If they don't want to be a certified buyer, that's free right there. Go section8.com. I'll put in the links below. Aspire leads. Talk to a realtor. Hey, Jamil, you know what? You type in the comments, I'm going to go reach out to 10 realtors tomorrow. I'm going to see how I get these expired leads. So, as you know, it's a lot you can do. That's free. That's just simply hard work. That's all it is. It's a professional relationship. So, once again, thank you for watching my channel. Comment below on which one you will take action on. Action is the only thing that needs to be talked about. I don't want to hear nothing else. All I want to see is comments like, hey, I'm about to do this one tomorrow. And likes and subscribes, obviously. All right, well, y'all be easy. Thank you again.